Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix full screen not working on NBA 2K25. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here is to go and search, write run, and after that here on run you just need to write %local app data %, hit OK. Then look for NBA 2K Sports, then NBA 2K25, and then you should see video settings.cfg file. So what you need to do here is to click on it. And then first option should be width and height. So then you just need to select the right resolution that you want to use. And if you don't know what resolution to use on your PC to be on the full screen, go to on search, display settings, scroll down, and then here you should see display resolution. And what is recommended for you, it will be full screen. So for me it's 1920 times 1080. So on this, what you need to do here is to change it to whatever you like here. And after that, you just need to press file, save, and yeah, run the game, and it should be in the full screen mode. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.